Welcome to this video demonstration, which is about one of the code coverage types, statement coverage. My name is Kevin Nugent and I am an application specialist for FirstEDA. I will use Aldec Active-HDL for this demonstration. Statement coverage examines each executable statement and counts the number of times it has been executed or executed at least once during simulation. A zero execution count pinpoints a line of code that has not been exercised that could be the source of a potential design error. The VHDL design I would like to describe today and run statement coverage is a min-max circuit. This is the design. It has three processes. This is a clock process and these are two combinatorial processes. This is an 8-bit binary synchronous up-down counter. The counter operates on the rising edge of the clock with the direction of the count defined by the synchronous up-down input. If the up-down input is equal to 1, the counter is incrementing, otherwise it's decrementing. The load input is synchronous and active high, and this has priority over the up-down input. When the load is active, data is synchronously loaded into the counter. The reset is asynchronous and active high. The up-down and X, G, R, Y signal values generated, they depend on the X greater than Y condition. So if X is greater than Y, these two signals get assigned a value of 1, otherwise they get assigned a value of 0. This process here, if this conditional expression is true, or this is true, then Z gets assigned a value of X, otherwise it gets assigned a value of Y. If we now look at the test bench, I am using assign procedures here, trying to apply input stimulus data to the UUT. So I'm applying X is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 10. So Y is greater than X. I'm also applying different values of R, reset, 0, 1, 0. Different values of L, load, 0, 1, 0. I'm applying different values of data, 0, and then 0, 1, 0, and back to 0. I'm keeping, for the time being, a value of 0. Now, if I execute this do file, and look at the original coverage results, it's reporting statement coverage as 87.5%. The aim is to be able to reach 100%. Now, the number of statements is reported as 21 out of 24. So number of hits is 21 out of 24 here. So if we look at the statement coverage report in more details, we can see certain lines in red and other lines in green. The ones in red are reported as hits of 0 because they have not been covered. The lines in green, they are reported as hits of 1 or greater because all these lines were covered. So the aim here is to apply more stimulus to the test bench in order to be able to exercise these lines. So if we look at the simulation results, we can see that X, G, R, Y, and up-down, they're always 0. So the counter is decrementing. We have 2, 1, 0, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 7, 6, 5, etc. So the aim here is to be able to apply stimulus to exercise this XGRY to make it to a 1. So the up-down will become a 1, and then the counter will start incrementing. If we go back to the test bench and apply this extra stimulus, now here I'm applying x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So x is greater than y. Before we had x less than y. So I'm applying for the first time x is greater than y. And also I'm applying a value of is equal to 1. It used to be 0 before, now it's 1. So if I re-execute this, do fall, and look at the updated coverage results, we can see statement coverage now reported as 100%. So statements 24 out of 24 hits. If we look at the statement report in more details, we can see that all the lines now are in green. We used to have, for example, here, hits of 0 before. They used to be red. Now we have hits of 1. If we now look at the latest simulation results, we can see that XGRY and up-down, they're both gone 1 here. So the counter is incrementing now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. The branch coverage I will explain in a different demo how to be able to achieve 100%. It displays here 100%, but I will be able to explain how you reach 100%. The condition and toggle coverage, I will cover this in different demos on how to be able to reach 100% coverage. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope you found it interesting and informative. If you require further information, please visit our website at www.firsteda.com. Thank you for listening.